Ever wondered what to do in Bern, Switzerland? Well, wonder no more. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Bern is not only the capital of Switzerland, but a city that carries a rich tapestry of history within its well-preserved medieval architecture. Lying in the Swiss plateau surrounded by the breathtaking Alps, Bern is a central hub that's easily accessible from anywhere in the country. This city is a treasure trove of experiences, from the charming Bear Park to the historic Old Town. You'll be amazed by the Zytglogge clock tower, the Grand Federal Palace, and the tranquil Rose Garden. Museums like the Bern Historical Museum, the Einstein Museum and House, and the Museum of Fine Arts are sure to captivate your curiosity. And let's not forget about the serene walks along the Aare River, the relaxing Gurten, the vibrant Botanical Garden, and the bustling weekly markets in Bundesplatz. Ready to discover the 12 amazing things Bern has to offer? Let's dive in. First on our list is the Bear Park, a symbol of the city itself. The bear has long been the emblem of Bern, representing strength and bravery. The park, sitting comfortably on the eastern edge of the Old Town, is home to a family of these majestic creatures. Here you're offered a unique experience to observe them in their natural-like habitat. Embrace the opportunity to learn about their lives, their history, and their importance to the city of Bern. So, if you want to meet the city's mascots, don't miss out on the Bear Park. Next, immerse yourself in the charm of Bern's Old Town. Here, old-world allure meets modern-day vibrancy in a picturesque setting that's simply unforgettable. Boasting the prestigious status of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Old Town of Bern is a testament to the city's rich history and well-preserved architectural marvels. As you navigate through the winding cobblestone streets, you'll encounter enchanting medieval buildings, each with its own story to tell. Marvel at the beautifully preserved facades, a visual feast of ornate sculptures and intricate designs that echo an era long past. But the Old Town isn't just about the past, it's also a hub of contemporary life. Here you'll find an array of unique shopping experiences. From quaint boutiques offering handcrafted goods to trendy stores showcasing the latest in Swiss design, the Old Town is a shopper's paradise. So, if you're looking for a dose of history and culture, combined with some retail therapy, the Old Town is the place to be. Time for a visit to the Zytglogge clock tower. A historical marvel in the heart of Bern, this tower stands as a testament to medieval engineering. Its astronomical clock, a wonder of the 14th century, still ticks away, marking the passage of time. With each chime it narrates tales of the city's past and present, and if you climb its narrow staircase, you're rewarded with sweeping views of Bern's picturesque cityscape. So, for a trip back in time, make sure to visit the Zytglogge clock tower. Now, let's head to the heart of Swiss politics, the Federal Palace. This grand edifice is more than just an architectural marvel, it's where the nation's important decisions are made. Fancy observing a parliamentary session? Well, you're in luck. The palace opens its doors to the public when Parliament is in session, and for a deeper dive, guided tours are available, offering a rich narrative of Switzerland's political history. For a unique insight into Swiss politics, the Federal Palace is a must-visit. Ready to stop and smell the roses at the Rose Garden? The Rosengarten is a romantic retreat nestled in the heart of Bern. With over 200 varieties of roses, it's a blooming marvel that paints the city in shades of blush, ruby, and coral. From the grandeur of tea roses to the sweet scent of English roses, it's a parade of floral beauty. And the cherry on top? A panoramic view of the city that'll steal your breath away. So for a peaceful retreat and a feast for the eyes, the Rose Garden is the perfect spot. Next, take a journey through time at the Bern Historical Museum. This treasure trove of Swiss culture houses an extensive collection, chronicling Bern's rich history. From prehistoric artifacts to medieval tapestries, it's like walking through the pages of a history book. And tucked away within this historical haven is the Einstein Museum, a tribute to the legendary physicist who once called Bern home. So for a brush with history, the Bern Historical Museum is the place to be. Now let's ascend the highest church tower in Switzerland at the Bern Cathedral. This grand piece of Gothic architecture is steeped in history, a testament to Bern's rich past. The cathedral's intricate designs and towering spires are a sight to behold. Climb to the top and you're greeted with a breathtaking panorama of the city, a view that's well worth the effort. This fusion of spiritual sanctity and architectural marvel makes it a must-visit. For a spiritual and architectural treat, don't miss out on the Bern Cathedral. Ready for a break? It's time to relax at the Gurten. This local mountain is the perfect sanctuary away from the city hustle. Here you can engage in a variety of recreational activities, take a gentle stroll, or simply sit back and enjoy the panoramic view of Bern. And let's not forget the well-loved Gurten Festival, a musical extravaganza that lights up the mountain every summer. So for a breath of fresh air and a great view, head to the Gurten. Next, step into the world of a genius at the Einstein Museum and House. Here in Bern, Einstein developed his theory of relativity, forever changing our understanding of the universe. The museum's exhibits delve into his life and work, offering a fascinating glimpse into his mind. And in his former residence, you can almost feel the spark of his genius. It's like stepping back in time to when Einstein himself walked these floors. So for a glimpse into the life of a genius, the Einstein Museum and House is a must-visit. Now let's take a scenic walk along the Aare River. This river, the lifeblood of Bern, offers numerous leisure activities. As we stroll along its banks, we witness locals and tourists alike indulging in various pursuits, from quiet picnics to spirited boat races. And then there's the unique experience of swimming in its clear waters, a beloved summer tradition. In the heart of the city, it's a refreshing escape from the urban bustle. So, for a refreshing experience, take a walk or a swim in the Aare River. Next, feast your eyes on some fine art at the Museum of Fine Arts. The Kunstmuseum Bern is a treasure trove of creativity, hosting an extensive collection of art that spans 8 centuries. Regular exhibitions showcase the brilliance of renowned global artists and introduce you to the vibrant world of Swiss artists. From classical masterpieces to contemporary creations, every corner of this museum is a testament to human creativity and expression. So, for an artistic journey, the Museum of Fine Arts is the place to be. Now let's explore the wonders of nature at the Botanical Garden. A sanctuary of serenity, the garden boasts a vast collection of over 6,000 plant species from around the globe. It's more than just a visual treat, offering immense educational value as you delve into the fascinating world of flora. The tranquility it exudes is a soothing balm to the mind, making it a perfect haven for those seeking peace amidst the bustling city. So, for a refreshing break amidst nature, visit the Botanical Garden. Finally, experience the local culture at the weekly markets in Bundesplatz. Here you'll find a delightful assortment of goods, from handcrafted trinkets to delectable Swiss cheese. Perhaps you fancy trying some local produce. The fruit and vegetable stalls are brimming with freshness. And the atmosphere, oh, it's a symphony of vibrant colors, lively chatter, and the enticing aroma of food. It's a place where tradition meets diversity. So, for a genuine Swiss experience, make sure to visit the weekly markets in Bundesplatz. So, there you have it, 12 amazing things to do in Bern, Switzerland. From the playful antics of the bears at the bear park to the ancient allure of the old town, each experience is a chapter in the grand Swiss narrative. The Zytglogge clock tower ticks away time as the federal palace stands as a symbol of national pride. A stroll through the Rose Garden is a fragrant journey, while the Bern Historical Museum offers glimpses of the city's past. The Bern Cathedral towers above with its Gothic grandeur, and the Gurten promises relaxation amidst nature. The Einstein Museum brings you face-to-face with genius, and a walk along the Aare River is simply serene. The Museum of Fine Arts hosts masterpieces, and the Botanical Garden is a verdant paradise. Finally, the weekly markets at Bundesplatz offer local delights. So when are you planning your trip to Bern, the heart of Switzerland?